Hello, everybody. My name is Alex. I am 23 years old. I am Peruvian and I'm from Lima, Peru. I am mechanic. I am studying mechatronics engineering. I really like cars and I enjoy working with machines. In my free time, I like working on cars, students, and spending time with my family and friends. When it comes to food, I like pizza and hamburgers, but I don't like spicy food. I love listening to music, especially rock and pop music. I also like watching movies and playing video games. I love learning new things because I want to improve my skills and have a good future. I like working with other people and enjoy helping my coworkers. However, I don't like being late or doing nothing, and I also like studying mechatronics because I want to become a good engineering in the future. It is nice to meet you. You are. Thanks you for listening.